This is only intended to be a quick and dirty setup video for QR sharing to phone using PicPicSlide. First things first, if you don't already have a PicPicSocial account, take yourself over to picpicsocial.com and create a free account. Click on the big button that says sign up. If you've already got your account set up, then perfect, you're off to the races. At picpicsocial.com, click resources and then click downloads. From the download sections, we want to go to downloads for PicPicSlide, and we'll click downloads under PicPicSlide, and we will simply download it directly from the Dropbox folder that we have set up for you. Once the file is downloaded to your computer, you might see a message like this that says Wi-Fi slideshow, etc., isn't commonly downloaded. Make sure you trust setup. Click on the three dots that say more actions and choose keep. And then you're going to see this pop up. Click show more and then choose keep anyway. All right, with the file fully downloaded, click on the open file option. And then let's walk through the setup process. Next, install. Once it's done installing, click finish so that it can open the Wi-Fi slideshow application, or PicPicSlide rather. Once the application is launched, you'll be presented with a screen like this. You'll see under local, this is where you're going to want to choose the watch folder or the hot folder where your PhotoBooth software is saving the videos to specifically. So if you're running the Dzentech software, you're going to want to choose the done MP4 folder. I'm going to select this test event that we're playing around with. And under slideshow, you'll see where it says mode. For mode, choose QR sharing direct. Once you've selected that, you'll see there's a new tab called QR sharing. You typically don't have to do anything here because PicPicSlide will automatically detect your network name and information. But if it doesn't, you've got a few options. You can first click available networks and you'll see which networks it is that we've already detected. You can click refresh and then we'll check again to see what networks you have here. Right now, this setup video is showing you how to run this software, assuming you don't have an extra Wi-Fi USB connected to your computer. So if you're seeing two different Wi-Fi adapters here, you're going to want to watch our complete setup video, which will show you which network you should be choosing and how to know which network to choose. So if you're seeing this and you have two different Wi-Fi adapters, unplug one of those Wi-Fi adapters, click refresh so that we can refresh your network information, and then choose the network that your computer should be connected to and click OK. And PicPicSlide should automatically add your network name as well as the password. If it doesn't do that, you can click under authentication, select WPA/WPA2, type in the network name, enter your password over here, and then click start. Now, once it loads, what you're going to see is the remote on the left-hand side, and you'll also see the actual slideshow. So let's maximize this so you can fully see everything. Now, this first QR code is always going to remain the same because your network is never going to change when you're at the event. But this second QR code will always update to coincide with whatever video is being displayed on the slideshow. Now, to fully test everything, what you're going to do is open the camera application on your phone, and you're going to scan the first QR code, right? It's going to say join WaterFam. That's the name of the network that I have. We're going to choose join WaterFam, press join. And then once it's connected, we'll scan the second QR code. Now, so scan the second QR code, and you'll be brought to the download page where you can press the download button, and then it'll download the video directly to the Files phone, to the Files app rather, on your iPhone. So remember, our QR sharing works completely offline. You don't need to have internet in order to use it and to set it up. Now, if you're going to be at an event and you're going to be using your 360 spinner, make sure you watch the next video, which will go more in depth on how to set things up specifically with your Dzentech 360 spinner software.